welcome to my world. Today I have come here to share a new brand with you all. For me it's a new brand because it's the first time I have come across this particular brand. They have come up with a really new concept. It's of a scarf mask. A scarf mask is a mask, because of the kind of situation we are going through right now. It is very important to keep ourselves safe whenever we go out. We need to wear mask and keep ourselves protected. So they have come with a really smart concept of a scarf which is also a mask. Like, stay protected, at the same time stay stylish as well. Today I received it just today only, and today I'm going to share it with you all guys. Please excuse all the mistakes that I'm making. I'm really new to YouTube. It's a brand called #me. #me. So this is my scarf mask, like a scarf that is also a mask. I'll be opening this packet in front of you. I have removed the outer coverage, but this I haven't opened yet. So today I'll be opening it along with all of you. So it comes with a instruction leaflet. It says instruction to use your scarf. How to use your scarf. Unwrap the mask and hold two corners of the mask where the button and loop is attached. Hook the button through the loop. Now take the rectangular mask using the elastic and clasp them around your ears. Adjust the scarf position as per your requirements. When mask not in use, then tuck the mask towards the inside of the scarf. Wash care. Wash these masks with regular soap and detergent after every use, but dry them thoroughly and store in a cool, dry place. If required, steam press them before usage for better finish and feel. Thankfully yours, team #me. So now I'll take the mask out and let us see how exactly it is. Okay, so these are the masks. I had purchased 2 of them. One is in blue and one is in red. Now, before I go forward, I like to mention I had thought that this will come in cotton, but it's not cotton. It's probably is polyester or something. I personally don't like these materials. I prefer cotton. I would have liked it more if it was cotton fabric. For the summer times, cotton is more comfortable and healthy as well. Compared to these artificial fabrics, but I'll now see how it looks when we wear it. So it's like this. It's a mask. There's a rectangular piece of fabric attached with these elastic strings, and the bottom is a triangular piece of fabric like this. So what we are supposed to do is we need to take this inwards, and then we'll take this elastic loop over here and this button, and we'll tie it behind our neck. Well, you guys. Actually, it looks quite smart. And then when you're out, when you need the protection, you take this piece out and you clasp it behind your ears. This is how it is. This is how it will look. You're actually really smart. You're protected and stylish all at the same time. Awesome concept actually. I am loving it. Tell me about you guys. What do you think? Let's check the other one. Flip it inside, loop it behind, wow, it actually looks quite smart. I'm going to use it quite often. What do you say? Well guys, personally I liked it. I would have liked it more if it was cotton, but I think this will be more long lasting, this fabric, and dress comfortably so that this extra layer of this fabric will not make you uncomfortable. But otherwise I am really liking it. It is really smart. It's looking good on me. So I am going to use it personally. Let me know what you all think, and please do support, do like this video, comment kind of video you would like me to make in future. It will really help me, and guys please do subscribe. Thank you so much.